Now this one really jumped out at me. With an odometer reading of 44,837 miles, this car is listed as number 1,314 in the NASCAR Superbird Registry and has a 440 cubic inch 4-barrel V8 for power. Now there's a broadcast sheet included to verify its as-built code A13, but this car's special changes will likely stay as they are, and for good reason. Moulin Rouge, or Panther Pink, as this hot pink color was known in the Dodge division, was not on the Plymouth factory palette for Superbirds. Due to the amount of secondary finishing needed for the original post-assembly line builds, the cars were limited to just 6 colors. This one was FJ5, or Limelight Green. Now, all of the Superbirds also received a black vinyl top to cover up the streamlined rear window insert. This car has both the custom paint and a white vinyl top, as well as white Plymouth quarter panel callouts and that large Roadrunner icon wing decal. Aww. This one really jumped out at me. Here's a closer look in high definition.